Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin E yellow capsules on your face. This natural powerhouse offers incredible benefits, acting as a strong antioxidant to shield your skin from environmental stressors. It deeply moisturizes and nourishes, leaving your skin feeling soft and supple. Consistent use can also help diminish the look of fine lines and wrinkles, promoting a smoother, more youthful complexion. It's a simple addition to your routine for healthier skin. To apply vitamin E oil effectively, start with a clean face. Gently wash away any makeup or impurities. Next, carefully puncture one yellow vitamin E capsule and squeeze the rich oil onto your clean fingertips. With soft, upward, and circular motions, gently massage the oil into your skin. Focus on areas that need extra attention, allowing the oil to absorb fully for maximum benefit. Remember, a little goes a long way. For the best results and to ensure your skin loves vitamin E, always perform a patch test first on a small, inconspicuous area to check for any sensitivity. Applying the oil at night is ideal, as it allows your skin to fully absorb its goodness while you sleep. If you have sensitive skin, consider mixing the vitamin E oil with a gentle carrier oil, such as jojoba or almond oil, to dilute its potency and enhance spreadability. For optimal results, incorporate vitamin E oil into your skincare routine 2 to 3 times per week. Consistency is key, but always listen to your skin. If you notice any irritation, redness, or adverse reactions, it's best to discontinue use. And speaking of good habits, staying hydrated is crucial for healthy skin. You can find a link to the Owala water bottle, along with other great deals, in the description below. Remember, a holistic approach to wellness benefits your skin most.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.